Hosting an open house in Sarnia? You've got 30 minutes to make a lasting impression, and we'll show you how. I'm Scott Leggett with Blue Coast Realty, and today we're sharing a quick open house checklist that can help your home shine, even on short notice. Start by speed cleaning key surfaces. Wipe down counters, straighten up the living room, and make the beds. Clean, tidy spaces always leave a stronger impression. Next, declutter. Hide anything that makes the space feel personal or busy, like countertop appliances, bathroom items, or kids' toys. Open windows for fresh air and a subtle scent if needed. Buyers notice smells right away, especially in smaller homes. Set the mood. Turn on every light, play soft music, and maybe set the table. These little touches help buyers picture themselves in living in your home. Don't forget to secure valuables and personal items. Store them in a locked drawer or take them with you when you head out. And that's the final step. Leave. Let your realtor take the lead while buyers explore at their own pace. With the right plan, even 30 minutes is enough to make your home stand out. Want expert prep help? Contact Blue Coast Realty today.